Alright, Section 8, handbrakes. Inspection maintenance. For the handbrake is applied tightly over the brake shoe should be in solid contact with the car wheel. When a handbrake that does not have sufficient power to provide with a contact adjustment will be made to meet this requirement. For the handbrake wheel or level is fitted directly with the brake shaft of the operating shaft, it will be screwed tightly so that both will rotate with a unison with the move of the direction of the grade application. C. Gears used to transmit power from any of the operating shaft of the brake shaft with the winding drum. A similar arrangement will be firmly fitted securely with the maintain the mesh properly. With a handbrake wheel or handbrake lever to connect with the brake shaft of the operating with a ratchet agreement with the maintaining the shoulder of the ratchet. Distinct with the handbrake and ratchet operating freely the ball with the snap singly if the ratchet teeth is suitable with arrangement. Angle with the contact between the ratchet pole with the teeth will be maintained at all times so that the pole will not slip with the pole with exert with the direction of the braking application. Alright, E. Handbrake poles and ratchets maintain and engage safely and securely while the brake is applied with the incurve of the brake shaft with the drum. The support with the hold of the brake applied with the beginning of the degree maintained with the proper position will operate freely. Half of the brake shaft with the gap of the bracket, the bearing housing will be maintained securely in position, avoid lost motion, the misalignment, the undo for the friction with the brake shaft with the bearings, them subject to the accumulation of the dirt and the other form matter when the shaft passes through the inside of the other part. Car strip for the openings will be made large enough to easily clean. Handbrake chain with the slack sufficient with an axis with a mount with the required with the connect with the properly with a handbrake rigging when all parts of their fully released position. Handbrake chain with the hangers with the provide clearance of the bearing strip with the prevent chains of the fouling, developing, undo with the resistance of the movement, them and the carrying support are covered with dirt and other form matter. They will be cleaned with sufficient frequency to provide with a free and unrestricted movement. Brake rods, levers, and cable connections will be kept binding from binding and fouling will be maintained and moved freely with the support and carriers and hangers. Cotter and split keys of the bolts and pins and other means of securing handbrake and parts in place with the maintain the proper condition to provide safe and suitable operation with a handbrake. J. Belt cranks and sheave wheels will be anchored securely in position, maintain and move, and free with the bearing support with the provided with free movement over the handbrake chains, rods, and levers. Section 9, lubrication care, waste package journal. And then, let's check this out. So, Section 9, lubrication care, waste pack journals.